Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanika and welcome back to my channel. I create beauty and lifestyle related content here on YouTube. Before we get into this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because 90% of y'all that watch my videos don't subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe and it would mean so much to me if you all do. I am super excited today as L'Oreal Paris has just launched their 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum here in India. Hyaluronic acid is a key ingredient that is highly recommended by dermatologists all over the world, and it's also very popular in the skincare community. I've seen many influencers rave about this product as it's the #1 serum across many countries. I've also seen Indian and international influencers try it out, so I decided that I should do a review on this serum for you guys myself and tell you guys everything that you need to know. I will get into the detailed review in a moment, but first I wanted to talk to you guys about the basics and tell you guys everything you need to know about hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is a molecule that is naturally present in our skin. It has the capacity to hold 1,000 times its own weight in water. It is an essential part of maintaining the moisture levels in our skin. With time, the natural hyaluronic acid levels in our skin decrease, so that can lead to dull skin, dehydration and loss of plumpness. It is essential to restore the hyaluronic acid level in your skin. The L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum is perfect to instantly hydrate your skin and also increases skin radiance by 42%. This serum contains 1.5% hyaluronic acid, which is the right concentration to instantly replenish the moisture levels in your skin, and it's not diluted at all. It is the best product out there and I'm so glad L'Oreal Paris has finally launched it here in India. The first thing I noticed about this product is that it's fragrance free, which is amazing because I have oily and sensitive skin. The texture is lightweight and non-sticky and therefore the product absorbs really well into the skin. So now I'm going to show you guys how I apply the product every day. I take 3 to 4 drops and massage it directly into my skin. This doesn't feel greasy at all. The product is also free of alcohol, parabens and colorants. So after using this serum the first time, my skin felt intensely hydrated. I noticed my skin started looking fresh and radiant, and the oil also seems to be in control. I have also noticed a difference in my skin texture because my skin is feeling so much more smoother than it did before. I love that the serum makes my skin radiant and plump. My skin is way more hydrated than it was before. My skin has been plump and glowy since the past few days and I'm so glad I tried out this serum. Let's take a moment to appreciate this beautiful packaging for the bottle. I absolutely love that it comes with a dropper because it limits the usage of the product. So you get a 15 ml variant of this bottle for 499 rupees, and you can also get this bottle which is 30 ml which retails for 999 rupees. This bottle will last you a long time because you only need to use 3 to 4 drops every time you apply it. This product is currently one of my holy grails, and if you also want to check it out and give it a try, you can definitely head over to the link in my description box and purchase the new L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. I promise you guys you will not regret it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching my review. If this review helped you, leave a comment down below and let me know. Also let me know if you've already tried this serum or if you're planning on trying it out anytime soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again, and I will see you guys in the next one.